This is Tom for Waterwise Botanicals. We're going to do this video today. You're going to get some traffic noise because we're out by the entry of our nursery, but this is really something to look at and to understand how special this plant is. Last year we featured Opuntia Ellisiana, and one of the things that we featured about it is its delicious, nutritious, edible young pads that grow on it. A lot of times in the Hispanic culture, they like to refer to that as nopales. You can make tacos out of them. In fact, we did that in our kitchen, and it's just fantastic. And in fact, it produces more edible young pads, nopales, in the spring than the traditional variety that's been used for centuries. So it's a fantastic new plant. The other thing about it is this is hardy down to the single digits almost. That's very important because in our Hot Shots program of plants that can be a protection against moving fire, that's the plant materials that are not flammable, won't burn. This is one of those. And it's one of the few that is cold hardy on top of that. So look at how tight and beautiful this mass of thornless prickly pear pads is. You can't beat it, and it's very good size. So when you plant it in a barrier, it might be a loose wave or a hedge or something like that, and if there's fire approaching, it's not going to burn on the ground past that. It's a very special plant, but also very beautiful. You know, a lot of the prickly pears grow, the larger ones grow to be really gangly and actually ugly after a while, and actually difficult to have in a large landscape or a ranch landscape. But these, look at the compact habit of it, how nice and tight they are. And you're going to see also, we have a photograph of them in bloom, what they just looked like a few weeks ago in the summertime. So beautiful flowers. You can also see these fruits developing on the ends of some of the pads, which are going to turn a really nice, lush melon red color. So everything about this plant is beautiful, wonderful, tight, fairly compact, but large, and especially effective in stopping moving fire if planted in a property edge barrier or in areas not directly in front of a house because it gets so big, but where it might be a safety for you as part of our Hot Shots program. So enjoy Opuntia Ellisiana, the thornless prickly pear that's great to grow and good to eat. This is Tom for WaterwiseBotanicals.com.